Okay, so this is what your upgraded bumper is going to look like. All right, there it is. That's what it looks like. All right, so we're touching up this grill a little bit here. And basically what this is a brake cleaner. I'm just cleaning it off real quick to make sure the paint sticks. And we're going to paint this up a little bit, because now that we put the new bumper on there, this is looking pretty raggedy actually. And it's time for a little cleanup for it. So that's what we're doing here. Clean this thing up, get it all done. Paint that Suzuki S and a burnt copper. Clean it up real nice. Yeah, there we go. All right. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, all done. All right, so this is a flat black. That's what we're using here. You can use a satin, or you can get a gloss if you like. But what I like to do, because it makes it look a little bit more from the factory, is I'll take it and I'll use a High Temp Flat Black. And then what I'll do is I'll clear coat it, and it kind of gives you that look of that, brand new plastic that could come from a dealership, or say when the vehicle was new. Okay, let me get that on there, and we'll let you see what it looks like. So yeah, hitting it with some flat black. Get rid of these scuffs and scratches a little bit, make it look a little bit better. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Very nice. Looking better already. Cool. All right. Well, maybe a little bit more over here. All right. Oop, I see one more. One more. There we go. All done. All right, guys. So when you're, redoing your bumper, and you want to make that Suzuki emblem stand out a little bit with whatever your colors are, basically you're using a Q-tip. That's it. Spray some of the rattle can spray paint into the lid and use that as your cup, and then dip in here and just put it on. And this is going to take you 4 or 5 coats to get that to cover the way you want it, but then we're going to clear over it. Okay, it's just a little tip on you. Okay, this could be any color you want it to be. I just happen to like this twisted copper look, or burnt copper, whatever you want to call it. It's kind of my thing. All right, cool. All right, guys, and then when you're ready, bust out your clear and hit it with some clear. Okay, nice and easy. Okay, keep your strokes nice and easy. We're not looking for runs here. There we go. Look at that. Nice and easy. Take your time. No rush, okay? No rush here. Make sure you get a nice, even coat. Get up in all them little nooks and crannies. And there you go. Easy peasy. Come on, we only got a few seconds left. Gotta get this in one video. Here we go. And okay, so this is what your upgraded bumper is gonna look like when you modify it a little bit, clean it up, touch it up. That's what it's gonna look like. Okay, cool. All right, guys, good luck on all your projects. Yeah, so there you go, guys. See that? That's what it's supposed to look like. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, Suzuki. Go. So yeah, when you modify and upgrade and clean up your bumper, make your ride look pretty good, these are just some of the things that you can do. See that? That's all pretty nice. I have a guy that always comments on the station and he says, Cal, can you just slow that camera down? Boy, it takes forever to keep up with you. All right, guys, so this is the Jeep bumper that we recently installed on this. This is often referred to as the TJ or YJ bumper. You see them on Amazon all the time. The difference, there is an actual difference between this particular specific bumper right here and the TJ and YJ bumper. Even though they look identical, this is actually a JL bumper, and there's a link, and that link's going to take you to the JL bumper. But there's always referred to, you know, in social circles as the TJ, the Amazon TJ bumper, and that's what it's always been called. This is actually a JL bumper, and the difference is that the JL bumper is 60 inches wide from fender to fender. It's 60 inches, whereas the TJ YJ bumpers are usually only 56 inches. So that's going to cut the corners of that bumper off about 2 inches on each side for you. Now that might be a good thing for you, and maybe what you want, or maybe it won't be. All right, cool. All right, there it is. That's what it looks like. We went ahead and cleaned it up a little bit, detailed our S, painted our hooks to match. So that's what it looks like right there. So, and that's what the whole vehicle looks like. Okay, that way you can take a look at that and see how that works for you. Okay, take a better look at that bumper and how it fits. Okay, there you go. All right, cool. All right, guys.